Hey there, and welcome to another helpful tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to control who can tag you in the Threads app on your Android phone. Whether you want only friends to tag you or no one at all, this guide will walk you through the privacy settings step by step. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Threads app. Next, make sure you're in the Profile section. You can get there by tapping the profile icon. Then, tap the two horizontal lines located in the top right corner. After that, select Privacy from the menu that appears. Next, tap on Tags and Mentions. Under Tags, you'll find three options. Everyone. Anyone can tag you. Profiles you follow. Only people you follow can tag you. No one. Disable tagging completely. Choose the setting that best matches your privacy preferences. Lastly, your changes are saved automatically, so you don't need to press any save button. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've gained full control over who can tag you on Threads. For more useful tutorials like this, don't forget to like and subscribe.